Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. I do make a small profit if you were to make a purchase. All right, we're doing 297 today. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column now, we're only missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, no help here, 2, 3, 6, 3 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 7, and a 7 there. So this is our 9. That 7 makes this our 2 and our 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 8. Don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 9. No help here, 3, 4, 9. And no help here, 3, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. That 4 means this is our 9, 4. We can get rid of this 4 here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 7. No help here, 1, 2, 7, a 7 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 3, 8. 8 here with that 9, so 2, 3. If we look, the only place the 8 can be in this box now is here. And the only place the 2 can be is here. And that 2 makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 4, 4 here, so 3, 9. And that means the only place our 4 can be for that column is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and an 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 5, 8. This 3 makes this our 9. So for this box, we're only missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 7. and the 2 makes this our 3. The 7 makes this our 2. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. That 6 and this 3 makes this our 2, 6. For this row now we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. And for this bottom row we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.